Good morning, traders. This is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. What I want to show you today is not the Atlas line and not any power price action or anything like that. I actually want to show you guys something that you can use day in and day out as a strategy, as a setup, to look at where price is going to trend or not trend or channel. And it's something that I look at every day as far as a forecaster on what I can do. And so this is called, and you may have heard about it previously on a couple other videos, but I'm going to go into a little bit more detail with it today. I do a lot of webinars as well on how to isolate price and price action. And so this is called the ABC method of trading. All right, it's very simple. And it's really meant to look at each day as we trade it and what we can expect. So, taking a look at the ABC method of trading really doesn't matter if you're looking at the mini or the euro or forex, bonds, soybeans. It really doesn't matter. What does matter is that you start off each and every day at the day session only when it starts. And so we have here on the E-mini S&P as an example, a 9:30 start. And what you see here is the Atlas line on your chart, and my chart here, the Atlas line software. But taking that aside, we start and we put a vertical line on 9:30, and we put another vertical line at 12 o'clock here. And this vertical line is 2.5 hours into the day. Okay, 2.5 hours. I call this the A part of the day. And this is the first 2.5 hours of any trading market. Okay, any trading market. All right, the A part of the day right there. Now, the A part of the day, actually, let me just adjust this here real quick. The A part of the day, what can I expect out of this is typically a strong move, a direction, price moves based on systems getting in, systems getting out, position traders, swing traders, all jumping into whatever market you're looking at as soon as it opens. And so the A part of the day, for me, is the most important part of the day. And I also recommend to all my students looking at taking trade setups, look at the A part of the day for the best opportunities. After the A part of the day is done, we're going to go into the B part of the day. And the B part of the day is going to be the next 2.5 hours. And typically, it is what most traders look at as lunchtime. But really, it's not because of lunch or because traders are eating that the market starts to slow down. It's because all the action that has occurred here in the A part of the day has been finished and there's no follow through. And so the B part of the day, I'm looking at the Eastern Standard Time Zone, EST time zone here, but please adjust it for your time zone. Starts at 12 and ends at 4:30. Okay? And the B part of the day might have my expectations as well, is typically a very slow channel type of trading, whipsaw. This is what I expect in the B part of the day. But more importantly, what I can expect in the B part of the day is that nothing really happens, except when something does happen. And when something does happen, that's when I want to pay attention, and that's when we can identify a trend early on. And so the B part of the day is typically a non-eventful day, but on days that trend, you will see B do something. And so what are we looking for here in the B part of the day? We're looking for price to trade above or below the range of A. So here's the range of A from 9:30 to 12 o'clock, the first 2.5 hours Eastern Standard. here in the E-mini market. And I'm looking for B to break outside of this. Now, it typically does not, so I know what to expect, and you as a trader should know what to expect as well. But when it does break out above or below, that's when I have a trade to the long side or short side based on a day beginning to trend for the day. Now, typically, we have about 85% of the total trading days that do nothing on the B part of the day. But that 15 to 20% of the time when markets do trend, that's when I'm going to pay attention. And so the B part of the day, I'm looking for price to break outside of what happened during the range of A. Now, nothing happened, as you can see today, and the best trades that occur are when they occur right away, typically within the first hour of B plotting. And so I'm not looking for something to happen here towards the end. I'm really looking for it to happen as early on as possible. Now, once B is over, it's called the ABC pattern because we have C, the last part of the day here, occurs from C until the close. And I'm going to look at a relationship just like I did from A to B and B to C. I'm looking for something to happen in C. And as you can see, I'm taking the range of B as you see it here to tell me if the market is going to have a late day rally, late day sell-off. It's going to start to trend into the end of the day. I work off of proof. I use price as my main catalyst to everything I do. And so looking at this, price is telling me something. It's telling me that it's ready to pop and go somewhere. And therefore, you can see that in the C part of the day into the close, price broke below the range of B, selling off into the end of the day, late day sell-off. Now remember, you can look at this on any market. So if you're looking at a FTSE, you're looking at a Euro, start the ABC pattern at the London Open, which happens to be 3 o'clock Eastern Standard or 8 o'clock local time at the Life Exchange in London. So here is December 13th, 2011. Day in and day out, this is what I'm looking for as one of the forecasters of where price is going or if we're going to have a trending day. Let's take a look at today. Today is December 14th. And as we go into, currently the market's still trading, but we have a 9:30 open, 12 o'clock. We have the Atlas line gave us a nice short signal here. If you took it early on, great. If not, we're looking for other trades during the day. But do we have a trending day based off of B continuing the move of A? And the answer is no. And so what I can expect out of today is a non-trading day. The day is not going to, trend, a non-trending day. The day is not going to trend. And when B is finished plotting, I'm going to look for the same thing that happened yesterday, a late day sell-off or a late day breakout. Right, here's 1430. So whatever the new range of B is, right, this is B, this is A over here. Whatever the new range of B is created, I am going to look for C from 230 moving on to the close for that opportunity just like it did yesterday. And so right now, price is doing exactly as I would have expected. If you have any questions, please email me at support@daytradetowin.com. My name is John Paul. Good trading.